like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I live. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I live free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. Hey! Hey! Sorrow, jale, nikle, kuche ki tarah.
For me, Rider Mania is where Royal Enfield comes alive. It's where the community of Royal Enfield merges with the company of Royal Enfield. And you know, it's tough, but here's where we bring it all together and we're one. We're all one.
We have Stevie in the house. So Stevie's come down to Rider Mania and he's taking in the sights and sounds of the festival all over. When the dates come out, we are one of the first ones to book and it's kind of like a tradition for me.
This is my 4th RM and you know what? We as mums, we are preparing the next generation of riders. That too for Royal Enfield. Cheers.